Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the channel. My name is Wilkins, and in this video today, guys, I'm pretty excited. I'm going to be sharing with you a brand new series, and in this series, I'm going to show you how I was able to leverage a done-for-you system that allows me to generate close to $6,000 in monthly recurring income. So guys, if that sounds good to you, do me a favor. Hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you can stay alerted whenever I post a brand new video, especially in this series, okay? So, just like I said, guys, this is going to be a series where I'm going to go in detail, step by step, day by day, over the shoulder. I'm going to show you exactly everything that I'm doing and how I was able to leverage this system to generate the income that I have, okay? This system is very newbie friendly, okay? Anybody can pick this up and get into it right away. What I like about this system is that usually when you're starting an online business, there's a whole lot of things that you need. You need software, you need training, okay, links, you need all sorts of things to get your business up and running. And with this system right here, it does all of that for you guys. It gives you the link with the landing pages. With these landing pages, it'll capture email addresses for you, and then it'll automatically send out emails on your behalf, okay? So that if you get a person that isn't making a purchase, they'll get an email, and that email will put the product back in their face to bring them back around to make a purchase so that you can get the commission for that sale, guys. All right. Not only that, but there's tons of training, okay? And there's also multiple streams of income with this system, guys. All right. So this is a great system for beginners. And basically all you need to do is take one link and share that out, and it does the rest for you guys, okay? Now with this system, it is very realistic for you to make $300, $500, close to $1,000 in commissions with this system, guys. And as a matter of fact, if we go into the group for this program, guys, you can see, right, I pulled up a couple images here of people who have made income, okay? Okay, so you can see this is fairly recent, okay, about a day ago as of the making of this video, okay? We have another one right here, Scott Darvid, he's another one, okay? He's showing his income proof, all right? That's one that we just seen, and here we go, another one. Somebody that's sharing that they're able to generate income using this system, guys. So, I mean, it's a very awesome system, guys, okay? Let me show you guys how you can actually get started with this system, okay? So there'll be a link down in the description down below, okay? When you click on that link, you're going to come to a screen like this, okay? And it's going to show you a video. And if you click on the button, okay, it's going to ask you to put your name and email in. So you go ahead and do that, okay? And once you do that, you're going to come to a page like this. Now this page is going to show you a video where it's going to explain how this system works and how you can actually get started with it, okay? Now, when you come to this, all right, being very transparent, guys, it's going to bring up an opportunity for you to join the system, and it's going to ask you to pay $49, and this is for the membership, which is monthly, as I mentioned. So before you do that, guys, what I want you to do is just hold off for a second until the end of the video, because if you stay till the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can remove that $49 monthly membership and also present a opportunity for you to make even more commissions with this system. So guys, just stay tuned until the end of the video, and I'll share that with you in a few, okay? So before we get into it, let me show you exactly what you get when you sign up with this system, okay? So when you sign up with this system, you're going to get the links, again, for the landing pages, okay? So that you can capture the leads and then this system, like I mentioned earlier, will send out emails on your behalf and help you generate sales. Okay. You're going to get different streams of, it logged me out. Give me a second. You're going to get access to that private Facebook group. Okay. And in that group, it's not just people showing income, like I mentioned earlier. You've also got daily training. Let me see if I can find the last one for you guys. Right here, you got daily training, which is great. It's like mindset training, also new updates and things that's going on with the system itself so that you can stay up to date and current with what's going on. AMAs, so you can ask questions and get to know more about the system, how it works. Okay, just all sorts of stuff. Helpful people helping people out. Again, people showing income proof. Okay, so I mean, it's just, the Facebook group is great. Okay, but getting back to it. Okay, you get different streams of income. Okay, you also get resources for training and additional tools and templates and things like that. Okay, so just as all sorts of things that this system has to offer. And again, it's done for you. So once you sign up and you share that link, it'll take care of the rest. Okay. All right. So getting back to getting access to this system. Okay. So there's a $49 a month membership. All right. This will give you access to the entire system, all the tools, all the training, all the multiple income streams. Okay. And once you click on this button and sign up, it's going to give you an opportunity to upgrade from the monthly to an annual plan. Okay. This annual plan will allow you to generate more income. All right. Now you're probably saying, well, why would I want to do the annual? Well, here's the thing about the annual, all right? If you pay for the annual up front, it's cheaper as opposed to paying the $49 a month monthly. You'll be saving over $200 by going annual. Okay. Again, you get higher commissions, all right, by going annual. And generally speaking, people who buy the annual have a higher success rate than people who stick with the monthly. And it's kind of a psychological thing. See, typically people who purchase the monthly, all right, they're looking for something quick. They're looking for a magic button that's going to make them millions of dollars overnight. And it just doesn't work that way. They'll make maybe 2 or 3 sales, get frustrated with not seeing the results that they were expecting, and they'll go ahead and they'll quit. Whereas people who get annual, they tend to be people who are committed, people who are thinking a long term. They're seeing this as a long-term investment. All right. And these people have a higher chance of succeeding with the program. And one of the things about it is, right, because you're able to make higher commissions, you have a whole entire year to make back what you spent. Okay. And then after that, it's all profits. So it's basically $3.99 if you upgrade to the annual, right? And with 2 sales, anything after that for the rest of the year is profit. Okay. So if you can afford it, I highly recommend that you do the annual and show your commitment to the system. And don't worry about the price, guys. I know that it may seem expensive for some of you guys, but check this out. Remember, I'm going to be showing you step by step, day by day, over the shoulder, everything that I'm doing to generate sales. I'm going to be showing you the same thing. Okay. So that you can start making a return on your investment as quickly as possible, guys. All you got to do is follow in my footsteps and do everything that I share with you in this series. All All right, so I don't want to have you on here too long watching this. I just wanted to bring this to your attention today. In the description down below, there will be a link, okay? That'll be a link to this system. Go ahead and click on it, get signed up, all right? And then there will be a link under that will lead you to this playlist right here that you're seeing on the screen, okay? And you can go ahead and you can get started with day one, okay? And we can get, I'll talk a little bit more about the system in detail. I didn't want to go too in depth with it today, but in tomorrow's video, I'm going to go into detail. And then after that, I'm going to start showing you how to promote it, okay? So we're going to get right into it, all right? So check out those links down below, guys. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you have. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care.